wash my face. So now I am about to put water, cold water in my eyes. See, I got the water. And basically what I do is I just take my face, my towel, and I just dip my face, tighten my pores. Whew. So you guys, my mother, this has always been her remedy for her face. My mother always would use whatever bar soap for her at that time was best for her skin. And then after she washed, she would definitely always splash it with cold water with ice in it since I was a little girl. She'd go get the ice trays out of the kitchen, in the freezer, crack them and do them. And I was doing this when I was younger. And then I stopped doing it for a while, just lifing. And then I said, you know what, it's time to get back to me. I have become an empty nester. My baby has went off to the army, so now all my kids are grown. And now I'm kind of getting back to the things that I want to do for myself that makes me feel good, because I'm not a 24/7 mom anymore, hands-on. I'm still a mom, but I'm not a hands-on everyday taking care of a kid mom anymore. So I'm going back to this, and I am getting up in age a little bit. So I said I'm going to go back to my skin routines, and this is it. So that is it. It tightens your pores, and then I am still using the Neo Straight Straighter on my face. I'm almost done with it, but it has really been doing great things for my face. Like, it's really tightening my pores. Tightening my skin. It is definitely, I've seen some of the wrinkles that I do have disappear. Like, I am definitely feeling the effects of this product, and I really love it. It definitely is going to be part of my everyday routine. So those are the things that I use on my face right now. And then I also use the Believe Beauty Face Toning Mist. I put this on my face about 3 to 4 times a day. I also do the top of my chest. And this is really good. It's infused with witch hazel and locust extract. And you know, if you put witch hazel on anything, it really shrinks it up. So witch hazel is definitely something great to add to your face. I used to put that on my face when I was younger also. So that is my remedy now that has been working for me over the past couple of months. And I am very excited about it. So, all right, you guys, let's get ready and get to the shoot. So, I am actually putting on my old trusty, which is her. This is my straight, and I'm straightening her out. Got my hair braided. So, all right, you guys, let's get ready. I'm running late. Let's get to the shoot, and y'all are coming along with me. Welcome to my blog. It's been a while, but I miss you guys, so let's go.